welcome to my channel. It's summer and I can't oil my hair because my scalp is already oily and it also leads to a lot of clumsiness. Because of this, my hair is getting dried a lot and my hair strands are completely dry. So I decided to do a hair spa at home, also DIY. So let's get started. I divide my hair into two equal parts and start brushing my hair with the help of my fingers and remove all the knots that are there so that it does not break my hair. And then I slowly massage it for few minutes and then take this wooden comb and flip my hair downwards and start combing my hair upside down. This boosts a lot of blood circulation and this in return helps in hair growth. Once I am done, I slowly push my hair backwards and massage it for a few minutes so that I don't end up breaking all my follicles, and trust me, this is so relaxing. I repeat it a few times until I feel completely relaxed, and then now it's time for some hair mask. To make this, I take 1 cup of rice to which I add 2 cups or glasses of water. I start massaging the rice and also ask them to please help me and work for my hair. Anyways, I wash them and I let them soak for 1 hour and make sure you remove all the dirt. While they are soaking, I take 1 cup of fenugreek seeds and grind them to fine powder. Then take 2 to 3 slices of aloe vera, rice water that had soaked, and 1 tablespoon of coffee powder, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek powder, and grind them to fine paste. And to which I add 2 to 3 spoons of virgin coconut oil, 1 drop of black seed oil. Mix them and I start applying to my scalp and hair. But I mainly focus more on my scalp because that's where all the nutrition is necessary for your hair kind of getting more thicker and healthier. Make sure I apply to my entire scalp. While I'm applying, also let me tell you, coffee is a very good exfoliator to your scalp to kind of get rid of all that junk and dirt that gets accumulated. And aloe vera, as you already know, aloe vera hydrates your scalp, rice water balances your pH level of your scalp, and lastly the fenugreek helps in promoting more hair growth. Make sure I divide my hair into a lot of parts and make sure all this hair mask gets in between all the hair stand, and I cover my complete hair scalp, and whatever is left over I start pushing them until the end of the hair roots because that also gets dry, and I have added a few oil which helps them. Then I kind of tie to a bun, leave it for about 20 to 30 minutes and then go wash my hair. For shampoo, I'm using Mama's onion shampoo, and after that I took a scalp massager and washed my hair. After that I took a microfiber towel and tied my hair. As I have not used any conditioner, I'm gonna make my DIY one. For this I took 2 glasses of water and then I took some sun-dried neem leaves, from which I first added neem flowers and then some neems. After that took some rosemary and added few strands of rosemary. Whatever leftover rice water was there, I then added. Boiled to that point where the watercolor changed to this. After completely cooled down, I transferred it to a spray bottle. Good shower is so refreshing and calming. Anyways, I took out my microfiber towel and I pressed all the kind of water out of my hair and made sure it's not wet and it's just damp. I then divided my hair into 2 parts, then took my ready-made toner or conditioner and okay, I look like onion, anyways, ignore. I started spraying this toner only to my scalp, and in between I started massaging it so that all of it starts getting absorbed to my scalp. While I'm spraying it, let me also tell you, rosemary is also very good and boosts hair growth. Rice water balances your pH level of your scalp, and lastly, neem helps to get rid of all the dandruff or any fungus that is there in your scalp. Okay, now coming back to this, I made sure I sprayed complete to my scalp and also in between all those strands, like the same way I did for my hair mask. Once I was done with all of the spraying, I slowly started massaging to make sure all of this toner is completely absorbed into my scalp, because previously that hair mask, which the coffee that I had used, had completely exfoliated my scalp, opening all my pores on my scalp. Repeated this few times, and once I was done, I took this hair serum from Mama Earth, the onion hair serum, and I pumped it to my palm, rubbed it, and then slowly started combing my hair with the serum, like applying the serum slowly. And I made sure I applied only from mid length till the end of the length and not to my scalp. At the same time, I also made sure I remove all the knots that are there and kind of started crunching them because I have kind of wavy hair, and this helps in maintaining my hair texture. The same thing I copy pasted and I repeated on the other side of my hair, like crunching and removing all the knots. Okay, after that I'm just going to let my hair air dry, and this is how my hair looks after it is air dried. You can see how voluminous, fresh, calm and clean my hair looks. Also look at that voluminous thick hair that you can achieve. It also kind of made my hair shining. Now this is what that I'm realizing. Okay, look at my hair, happy, clean, refreshed. I think hair spa at home is so beneficial because you have all the ingredients at home and you can do it whenever and whatever time you want. Just trust me and try this once and you'll thank me later. Okay, once I am done showing off my hair, I take this wooden comb again and start combing very gently, and to make sure I have no more knots again. I use only satin rubber bands so that I don't break any hair. So this is my hair spa at home. Was this helpful? Comment and let me know. Also give a big fat thumbs up because it really means a lot to me. Oi. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, anyways, I'll meet you all in my next video. Until then, bye.